Regular pen maintenance of feed yard operations is vital to the safety of the animals, but also our pen riders. Making sure that we are routinely inspecting pens for broken fences or paneling that could injure the cattle or a pen rider as they are riding the pens. Other areas that we need to pay close attention to is the pen floor surface itself. We need to make sure that that pen surface is being routinely scraped to eliminate buildup of mud and manure that could essentially build up on the hide of the animals. Other areas that we need to routinely clean would be the apron up to the feed bunk, and also the pen surface floor up to the apron. Research has shown that the more mud and manure that cattle have to walk through to get to the feed bunk decreases average daily gains and impacts efficiency of the animals. Upkeep and cleanliness of water tanks is vital in feed yard operations. Water tanks should be routinely cleaned to ensure that cattle have access to fresh water. As we can see on this tank is just on the edge of where we're getting to where there is going to be some excessive buildup on the edges. It still looks pretty decent. However, we want to make sure that it doesn't go too far when it gets that algae buildup or excess feed in the bottom of the water trough when cattle visit it after visiting the feed bunk. If feed yard employees notice that a whole pen of cattle go off feed for a day, the first place to check would be the water tank, to ensure that water is being delivered to the tank, that it is not malfunction or broken, or essentially if there is electricity running to the water tank for water heaters, making sure that that water is not charged with a current. There are multiple jobs on feed yard operations. One very important job is the water tank cleaners. Water tank cleaners must be very aware of their surroundings when they enter into a pen. When they enter a pen of feedlot cattle, there could be some cattle that may seem playful or they may be aggressive cattle. In that case, they must be aware of their surroundings at all times in order to better protect themselves as they do their jobs. Pen maintenance also includes inspecting our feed bunks as well. When we inspect the feed bunks, we need to make sure that our rail is in good condition, our cable is in good condition, not frayed where it could potentially injure cattle when they come to the feed bunk. We also need to inspect the bunks themselves for breaks in the concrete, rebar that could potentially be sticking out that could injure cattle. We also need to inspect our feed bunk daily for buildup of mud and manure that could potentially got kicked into the bunk. We need to be looking for moldy, spoiled feed. Feed delivery drivers should never deliver fresh feed on top of old feed for the risk of spoilage. For more training resources, please visit bqa.org.